Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Space, where engineers break the border of engineering. In this video, we're going to continue the previous part of the videos. You may click on the link above. And in this session, we're going to continue our process in designing a mansion or a building using Revit. As you can see on the figures, like see in the below, this is how it looks like of the building that we're going to create in the previous videos, and this is the front view of the building. So if I may open the Revit files, this is the files that we have been created. We have already created the grids in the whole section of the building, and also a simple wall that we have been also created. And this is how it looks like in the 3D views. So far it looks like weird, but no problem. Step by step we're gonna finish the whole section, and let me propose solution on this. On the previous video we have been created the grid and the basic wall as I stated, and for the second part we're gonna finish from the 0 level into the first level. So we're gonna focus on this area of the building. Let me put a marker for you. So where is it? Yeah, let me just keep mark here. So we're gonna focus on this section, as you can see here, bro and sister. Alright, so let me back to the Revit files. As what I also explained in the first video, that we also have created a beams or structure elements of the building, and for this time we're gonna erase everything. We just focus on the architecture part for the first time. So let me just erase this one. Okay, let me just block the whole wall that maybe contains on the first floor from 0 to 1 level. Okay, let me put this into this one, press apply, and this is the beams that I have been created. Let me just erase it. So now we have view of the building from the level 0 to 1 level, from the 0 to first level. And if we go back to the picture below, you're gonna see there's so many windows here, so we're gonna put the window right. Before that, let me just put the floor slab. One of important thing that we should put, right? So we can have a floor, of course, of the building. Let me go to structural plans, because we're gonna put structural plans of the floor. Let me go to the floor level here, and put this one. So we go to the level 0, and let me just put here the floor. Go to the floor, and let me just edit up here and put it with the thickness is 500. So I think we need to increase the concrete itself into maybe just 75. Let me just press OK here. Sorry, let me just put it 95. Alright, so we have the whole thickness is 500. Let me put here. Alright, so let me just draw it from this area into this area. And yeah, I think we should put it also like this one. It's no problem, I think. So we have a floor here, as you can see here. We have a floor of the building, and it automatically put it on from the 0 level into deeper, and that's and I mean like the depth will be automatically go to 500 millimeters as what we have been created. So after that, let me just put the window. All right, let me go to the floor plan levels, and then let me just put window here. Go to architecture, go to window. So again, let me back to the picture as our main reference. As you can see here that the length of the window like square window, and then so we need to apply in our Revit files, which sorry, let me go to back to window and drop down here, and we have just the arch one and the single pane one. So I need to load family, and previously I just have preparing a window for this project. Let me just put which one is more suitable and more close to the design as the picture reference. So I just prepared one of family that I think match with the current view on the figures as our reference, and this is what I mean. So we just open it, and we choose the dimension of the window. So because we have the space between this to this, if I'm not mistaken, is 4000. So I think it will be suitable if we choose, maybe if I go back to the picture, let we estimate it. So be taken maybe 2 meters, with the intersection between this is 2 meters. So I think no, sorry, maybe this one to this one is 1.5 meters. So I think this one will be nice, but we need more height, of course. Let me increase the height to 1750 and times by 1500 millimeters. Wait, am I correct in seeing this? Okay, let me choose this one. So just wait a minute. So now we can put it here, like sun on the figure from this one. Let me just put it 1000 behind it. Just put you here, and let me check it first on the 3D view. Yeah, I think it was good enough so far, but I think we need to increase the height, of course, because as you can see here, it's really looks like so large. So take from here to here, it's will be 2000. So oh sorry, let me just move this one. Alright, so it will be basically on the center of the building. Yeah, so all you need, just select these windows and then do copy on every section of the building. Let me just type CO, or simply go to this one, and then you can choose from your reference grid. I will choose this one and move it to this one, this one, this one, this one. Now so Well, I think this not will be quite enough. Put it here, 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 and here, right? So for this section we only need to add one window, I think. Yeah, as you can see here, we just need to add one window, or maybe not, or maybe no need, because the grid was taken from here, right? So we don't need to add some window here, so I think it will be enough for the building over here. If we go back to the 3D view, let me just back to wireframe so you can get better view here. So the windows looks like this, then maybe hidden line will be good. So after that we're gonna go into the other section in this front section, which means it will be here. And let's be back to the picture as our reference. We're gonna put the arch window here, right? As you can see here in the figure, right? Alright, so we're gonna put the arch window here. Let me go back to the window, and then we choose. Is it good enough to put it in here? Well, despite of putting a window here, I'm not sure this is a window here. Like this is just only like, yeah, opening in here, opening, just like no window, just opening, and this is just like whole section was opened by the other section here. If we go back to the floor plan view, here you're gonna see that the opening, the entrance are put here. So because this is on the second floor, so I think we need to put all area here will become a window here. Like here will become similar whole section, and in the front area we just build the opening without a window. So let's continue here, guys. Let me select this one, press CO, or simply go to here and then go back to here. Now this one, well, I need to check the dimensions. So as you can see here, dimension is 2500. So all we need, just put a single window here, or maybe just a door, right? Just like a big door over here, I guess, because this is also part of entrance. Okay, well, let me just focus on this section by putting an opening here. So just go to window here. So to make it more interesting, I think you need to put a trim window here, and we need to edit the type here by the trim. So put it in the right here. With the hex that we want. Let me put it here at 2000. From the center line, go to 1000 thing. Okay, not enough, so we go to 150 meters. Still not enough. This one. So yeah, I think this is gonna be good. So we have good trim of the window here. Look nice so far. All we need just to copy it once again into the other section of the window. So let me go back to here, press copy on it, put it on the second side, here, 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 and then once again to here, 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 and here. Alright, back to the 3D views. So looks so nice so far, right? We have to trim out the window, and let me edit from this section by creating an opening. As you can see here, we don't have access on this section, but I believe this will be opening, right? Just once again, I'm not sure this be part of a window, so we just put window behind the building, and the section area is the same. It's the same window. So if I check the dimension here, alright, so be 5,000. So all we need just select the entire window and the trim, and then press copy, and then we put it on the center line like here, and just put it here. If we put it on the other section, maybe it could be nice, but yeah, as you can see here, that all you need just casing this area. This is the hard thing. Okay, so I think it will be enough. And for this section, especially for this section, we gonna put the big doors over here. So let me just go to door, and then just let me add family here. Well, I think we go with this one because we need the double door system. And then let me just edit, and then let me save the project first. As you can see here, we got 2000 dimension, which let me just put it first, like in the center of the building. Okay, this is the center, I think. Yeah, got it. It has to be 2000. I think it will be enough. So if you go to the 3D views, we got the door here, which looks so nice so far. Alright, let me just keep differentiated here and put it here. Just play it. So we have good and better height than before, which is more bigger, of course, like you can see here. So it will be like connected between the window size, right? So let me go back here. So yeah, it's clear now for the whole section of this section. And then if you go to here, we just need to put the opening like I mentioned before. So let me go to this section, and then let me just put here the go to edit profile, and let me just put here a line that create an opening like what I said previously. So just put it, maybe we start with a rectangle here. So we're gonna create it like this, I think. Yeah, then we put it here. Oh, sorry. And then we put a singular here. Nice. so just delete this one. Let me move it into, oh sorry, just move it, be like this one. So yeah, just go to trim, sorry, cancel it, then to just copy this one, alright. As you can see here, we could alright, I think this one was good. But if I go to this section, let me go to the south area. Yeah, so this will be good enough for us to see the reference, as you can see here. So we need just to wait a minute. Alright, so let me just copy this one and then put it on the center of the window. Sorry, can't cut it. We need a good reference for us, so I think this one will be good as a reference, and it should be 5,000, right? Yeah, 5,000. Go to here for 5,000 again for this one, so put it in here. And the last one here. Alright, so we have 3 windows where, well, actually not actually same with here, because here we have 4, 1 2 3 4, but I think it was good enough so far. Let me just trim this section so we can connect everything later. Alright, just unjoin it, and let me put a line here to connecting it between this section, and just copy it. Oh sorry, put intersection here, go to here, then just put the line again, check here, and the last one from here to here. So just press yes, and then you can see on the 3D views that we have created the opening of the building, and this is how it looks like. Looks nice far, right? Go to level 0, so we have this one. I think it was good enough, and for this the other section we just need to copy it, I think. But if we go back to the floor plan view, so it be like rounded here. So yeah, all we need just focus on this. Alright, so the next, all we need just to create a stair here. So let me back to the floor level, and then let me just draw the what I mean, like the stair that brings from here to here, right? If I'm mistaken, right? Like this one. So yeah, alright, that's good. Before that, let me just put the let me just go to level 1 and then put here a slab, I think. Sorry, floor. Just put an architectural first and just drawing it from here to, sorry, let me just use the attach for this time. Yeah, so this is where later the buildings will be connected, and I think you have been created, I guess. Let me just put here a window, a wall, sorry. To connecting it between level 1. Let me go back to 3D views. Alright. So I think I need to move it to this section. And then after that, go to this one. Let me edit the boundary. Put it here. Press yes to annotate. So you get a view like this one. And then after that, we just put a stair, right? So let me go back to the south level and put here a stair. So let me just create a strike one here. Then sorry for this section, we need to pull it up from the center point to this one and bring it back to this one. So if you go back to the 3D view, you're gonna see it, and yeah, just press yes, I think. Right, go back to the 3D. As you can see, it is not like what we wish to the stair gonna be looks like, and then so all we need, just pull it back again. Sorry, go to edit the stair. So yeah, pull it back to here and then to here. So if you go to the 3D views, It's just gonna be looks like this one. And let me choose the material so not from oak flooring, so from concrete. I think it'll be nice, right? So yeah, all done, bro. All we need just now to modify the section. So let me go to the edit profile and paste line here, so we can create a line to closing it. So let me just erase this one. So it's gonna be looks like this one. Nice. Similar with the other section. Let me just press delete here and put the other one, copy it on the section, go to the section, so we have 3D view like this. And if you go to the reference again, well, I have mistake here that we have several stereo exactly like this one, so okay, I have to try to change it once again. So it basically have 3 floor, 1 2 3. So I think that's all for today's video. We're gonna continue into the next project later. See you again, and don't forget to like, share our videos, and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.